Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Terra Classic will lose a zero fast. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, see exactly what's going on. As you know, your boy definitely alerted you guys way before everybody hopped on the bandwagon. Oh, Terra this, Terra that. So now everybody is here, everybody is hyped, everybody is ready for more action. So let's go ahead and talk numbers, let you guys know exactly what's going on, what I'm expecting out of this, and all that good stuff. But for starters, before we even get into that though, guys, we know Terra Classic erupts over 111% less than a week. It's up over 300+% within a month following the news of second airdrop. So as we look at this, guys, Luna is surging after a proposal to reward holders with a free tokens of its successor blockchain, Terra Pass. So starting on September the 2nd, Luna Classic surged by slightly over 111% from 3021 to a 2-month high of 3045. Now we already created a new high, guys, sitting currently at 3048 and continuously about to make newer highs going throughout the remainder of the week, and especially the weekend will pick up even more traction due to the fact a lot of investors pulling out liquidity from their stocks and translating it over to crypto. But anyways, guys, if we take a look forward, the proposal to reward Luna Classic holders with free tokens will see slightly over 19.5 million Luna airdrop to users who failed to get the proposal allocation earlier this year when Terra 2.0 was launched. The initial airdrop occurred in late May. So as you know, guys, for the ones that didn't get their Luna, whenever that situation happened, whenever Terra basically did his little pivot and giving people the extra Terra 2.0, some people didn't get theirs, and I guess they, making up for that or whatnot. So a lot of people will be getting, quote unquote, they say free Terra Luna. But anyways, guys, if we take a look forward and see exactly what the numbers is looking like, we see Terra Luna that thing is looking beautiful. I told you guys, get in before it cracked above 3017. Looking on the charts, that was an indication it gave me that it was going to fly. As soon as it broke 3017, like we said, and it was going to fly afterwards, it did exactly that. The next day or the same day, it went up 77%. That was the biggest one-day gains that we seen yet. And after doing so, this is what keeps me very interested in Terra Luna, being for the fact that once it broke that key level, it's usually, after we broke through 3017, blast straight through it, ran up, of course it got to cool down and come down a bit. Once it started to cool down and come down a bit, it usually will come back down and retest that resistance, which was 3017. It would test that as a new form of support, come down and try to hold support at 3017. But what looks so convincing that Terra Luna is ready to run even higher and faster is the fact that once it ran up 77% that day and came back down to cool off, it didn't come back down to 3017. It came back down to 3035, which is well above 3017, giving us that indication that people is loading up, they're buying, and they're holding. They're not looking for a quick entry and exit. They're looking for some real gains, or a small loss, because that's how I told you guys you want to play this. You either going to get thousands of percentage of return with Terra Luna, or you could possibly lose 100%. It's a high risk, high reward type of play, guys, but I definitely wouldn't miss this opportunity with this type of upside potential for nothing in the world. So you already know, guys, I'm not overhyping it. I'm letting you guys know exactly how I play it. I ain't got nothing in but peanuts. If I was to lose on this play, I wouldn't even worry about it. I wouldn't think about it at all. And that's exactly how I want you guys to play it. Put in money that you willing to lose, that you throw away every day on bullshit. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP right now because we're going dummy. Because I told you guys a bullish market about to happen within this bearish market, just as we called a few weeks ago, and we called it again on the day and on last night video, and it started happening today. It's crazy how, I ain't even gonna talk about that. It's just crazy how things be happening as we speak on it. But anyways, I love you. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call, and we out. God bless y'all. We gone.